Hi, it's Ryan Martino, one half of the driving force behind your world champion and national drag racing standouts, Martino Motorsports out of Youngstown, Ohio. We're here for two reasons. One, to tell you about NGK's new awesome app for your Android or Apple phones called NGK Part Finder. We're going to use that app today with our Ford F-150 Platinum. If you didn't know, NGK is more than spark plugs. They have ignition coils and multiple sensors for your vehicles. Okay, we're just leaving Napa Auto Parts, and let me tell you how easy it is to use this NGK Part Finder app. We downloaded the app today. We ran in the VIN number in this vehicle and gave us our NGK and NTK part listings, and we're in the market for ignition coils. So we looked up the U5200 part number, took it to the clerk at Napa Auto Parts. They had these products along with other NGK and NTK products. So if you're looking for any application for NGK or NTK, we recommend going to Napa Auto Parts. They support racing, so we support them. We're looking forward to getting these products home and installed and showing you part 2 of this video. We're back home with our NGK ignition coil set for our Ford F-150 Platinum. We've never changed an ignition coil before, but the truck just hit 70,000 miles. This is routine maintenance for your vehicle. These are factory ignition coils, and you should change these. So we're going to show you how to do this, give you a front row seat, probably put the stop clock on it too. And most concerns what people have with doing this is, can I do it myself? So they take it to the dealership, they take it to a auto repair mechanic, try to get these repaired. You can do it yourself, have no fear. And the other fear that people have is, once I plug these in, are we gonna have error codes? Are we gonna have to go get the program reset? Am I gonna have to have somebody do it professionally? Is there gonna be a Christmas tree display on the dashboard when I start the car? Let me assure you, there's gonna be no issues. We just pulled the engine cover off our Ford twin turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, and we're going to remove the ignition coils. This is going to be a firing order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is the plainest view in this camera, and we're going to change that one first. Fire the engine, show you that there's no issues and no lights on the dashboard. The tools you're going to need for this are a screwdriver and a 5/16 or 8mm socket. You can use an impact wrench if you want. We use ratchet just so we don't over tighten. So here we go. We're going to put this on the clock. We're going to show you how it's done.